Here are your directions for the next page in your autobiography. It's called Memories of Fifth Grade. I'm going to give you the directions on what to do during this page. We're going to do it a little different because this year was so different. You're going to start with a title. And the title at the top of your page is going to say Memories of Fifth Grade during COVID-19. With a marker, I'd like you to write that word and put a bubble around it like it's floating in a cloud. Then color in the cloud in a light color so it looks something like this. The next thing that happens is you are going to write 6 memories of 5th grade during the COVID-19. You'll number them like this. In a bubble, you'll write number 1 and then color in the circle. You'll write a sentence about what happened during the COVID-19. I wrote, after spring break, we stayed home for online learning. Number 2 has another bubble, and it's also colored in with a different color. We use Zoom for classroom meetings. Now, you can write all of your own for these. If some of them are ones you want to write, you can use them. But try and think of your own memories of what your life was like when you had to stay home. Write about how you felt. Number 3, I said I missed seeing my friends. I bubble lettered the 3 and I colored it in. I put a circle around number 4, colored it in, and said if I was a student, I might say, my parents stayed home too. They worked from home. Some of you had parents that did this, and some of you had parents that worked. You might want to write that. Number 5, the same thing, and I said I needed a haircut. Number 6, I got tired of emails and school just wasn't the same. Now you're going to write your own 6 memories, and each one, notice I wrote them in marker and I wrote them in a different color, and they looked very neatly done. Now at the bottom of the page, leave room, because at the bottom of the page, your decoration is going to be of what a Zoom meeting looks like on a computer or on an iPad. So you're going to draw a computer and put some little faces in that Zoom meeting. Here's what I did. I actually went to Google and I searched at the top Zoom meeting clip art, and it gave me some kind of cartoon-like drawings that made it easy for me to do. And it showed me to make a computer screen, and I divided it up, and then I added some little people. In the back of each person, please color a colorful background. So each one of these people has a different color in the background, and I gave them a colorful shirt. Some of them are raising their hands, some of them are talking. So you get to add the expressions on the people. And so when you're done, your page will look like this. Memories of 5th grade during COVID-19 is your title. You have 6 memories that are your own. You have a Zoom meeting decoration at the bottom. That's the directions for your next autobiography page.